Good morning nationwide and worldwide. Now it's already 4:41 or 42. So AM here in Baghdad. I wake up already to fix in the kitchen, the one for my cooking time. You see there? The nuggets and the finger. Okay. And this one is a good morning flowers. Very nice. Let's make your day smile, let's make your day relax when you are watching the flowers. If you have garden in your hometown, in your home countries, in your home place, and you go to the garden or any what you have plants, so you just watch to our sickness or stress. Make our individual self will be relaxed, okay? Very nice. Ayan, outside. Ayun yung security. May nag-walking na. May balcony. And the other side. See? So, it's just I didn't open more the light. Because everybody is asleep. Slide pa yung plants ko. Okay? Ayan. In the kitchen ko. I open this one to go out the smell. The smell daw. Okay? You see? Mamaya yan para maalis-alis yung mga baho pa. Hindi ba? Yan ako. Hello Grace, how are you? That's me in the morning. Okay. Now when I finish make the video, so I fix this one before. I own this one to make hot na the tapan. So it's make hot na, and this one also. Let's make it hot para I finish na may boiled. Okay, so ayan, nagkalat na yung kitchen ko. Kasi nagka-ready, ayan para hindi na siya baho. So maya i-fix ko na yan, i-clean ko na yan para magiging okay. So ganito yung kusina ko dito. Pag early in the morning, pag mag-prepared na ako before I start. And this one also, I always clean this one so that when madam she use this one, it's not bad smell inside. Okay, that's what I make. Okay, so simple lang yung basura ko. Okay, so again, thank you. Ayan na yan, naka-ready na yan. Yan ang i-prepare ko sa breakfast sa snacks ni Celine ay curacao. This one. Yan ko sa kanya. Okay? So, thank you again. Thank you for watching. Keep safe, lucky. God bless us all. And more power to every one of us. And then, look, naipasok ko kasi sa dishwasher. Kaya ayan tuloy. Ayan tagilid na kawawa naman yan. Ngayon na lang yan. Kasi hindi ko na igamit kasi nga overloaded yung school bag niya dahil nandoon yung mga books, so wala akong masyadong space at ito hand carry niya, kaya yun ang madali kong maipasok doon kasi yun lang ang space na mabilis, kumbaga hindi masyadong matapon-tapon yung ko doon, matapon-tapon yung tubig ang ibig kong sabihin. Kaya laging ingat at saka uulitin ko, shout out, ito ang sarap to. Mamaya makakaroon ako yan ng video. Shout out to all subscriber of mine. Thank you very much. And shout out nationwide and worldwide. I'm sorry kung ganito lang to ang tono ko, ang boses ko. At saka, keep safe lagi. And thank you that you are giving me time, giving short time to watch to my old videos. As of what I'm telling to you, every videos that I have, thank you very much to support me of my subs, to support me my YouTube channel. Thank you again. I wish that you can subscribe me and to support also to my more videos. Okay, thank you again, thank you, and God bless us all with your all families, all what you have. Habang nabubuhay tayo sa mundong ito, kumusta, ingat sa buong families ko. Kumusta kayo, angkan to angkan. God bless and God provide everything what we need para sa inyong lahat kung saan kayo nagtrabaho, kung saan kayo, ang mga angkan ko, both side ni nanay at saka ni tatay. So God bless us all, mga friends, mga barkadas, mga katropa, mga kaila, mga kasubscribe, lahat ang hirap na kasi bawat isa-isa pa. Kaya all around na lang, nationwide and worldwide, okay? Ingat lagi and bye-bye sa employer ko, pamilya ng mga employer ko, both side ni Sir at saka ni Madam, at to Sisi. Hello Celine, how are you? Laging malusog ikaw at good health lagi. At iwas sa mga sakit bawat isa sa atin. Okay, yala bye-bye ulit. At start na ako sa cooking. Yala bye-bye.